Can there be no answer? They promised us there's one correct answer, so we're good. Alright guys, today we're talking the legendary LeetCode problem number 1-2 sum. Let's read the problem like we're real computer scientists for a second. Given an array of integers not to target, return the indices of the two numbers such that they add up to target. Cool. Basically, you got a target number. You grab any two numbers in the array that add up to it, you return their indices. The array isn't even that long, so honestly, we're just gonna brute force this thing. Yes, I know the problem says there's a fast solution. No, I do not care. We're doing it the caveman way today. So we copy this class, format it nicely, beautiful. And now,
brute force.
I'll try to explain it clearly, especially for people who don't code. But look, full disclosure, I'm terrible at teaching. If clarity were a stat, I'd be rocking a solid 3 out of 100. But hey, we move. So first, we define something to return. Let's call that answer. The instructions say return answer, so we do that. Next step, we loop through the array twice because we want to find two numbers. Just check every pair to see if they add up to the target. Like this guy plus that guy equals to the target. If yes, push it, ship it, done. Can there be no answer? They promised us there's one correct answer, so we're good. Wait, forgot something. We gotta make sure they aren't equal. Because you know, adding a number to itself isn't exactly teamwork. Perfect. We passed. Upload again. We absolutely nailed it. Sure, we solved it with the programming equivalent of duct tape, but victory is victory. And that's another day of me successfully posting a video without knowing what to upload. I'm literally trying everything at this point. Alright, thanks for watching. Go stream my new song or something.